Blue Ribbon Local Search Engine Advertising. Blue Ribbon Leads will generate leads from customers in your area who are ready to buy. Online advertising drives $6 of in-store revenue for every $1 online. Source: Yahoo and ComScore. Research online, buy offline. Question by Nielsen Online. When purchasing a product or service from a local business, which of the following would you look to for information? 74% responded that they use search engines. Did you know search engines are now the #1 resource used by consumers looking for products and services from local businesses? Source: Nielsen Online. Your ads will appear on 98% of the internet. Local search engine advertising. Blue Ribbon Leads will generate leads from customers in your area who are ready to buy. Certified campaign professionals. Blue Ribbon Leads will provide you with a professional and experienced advertising marketing team for your advertising campaign. Detailed reports 24/7. At any time, from anywhere, you can track the number of calls, emails, and visits, as well as listen to your phone calls generated from your marketing efforts. Blue Ribbon Retargeting. Blue Ribbon Retargeting is the way to win back prospects who have searched for your business keywords and those who have visited your website. Extensive network of websites. This extensive network is made up of thousands of sites with access to over 6 billion impressions and an estimated 90% of the U.S. online audience. Blue Ribbon Live Chat for your website. Blue Ribbon Chat turns website visitors into leads. Our trained live chat specialists use a customized script to engage consumers interested in your business. For visitors who wish to get additional information, they can connect with your business in real time via our Call Connect feature. Blue Ribbon Local Listing Service. What we do: 1. Increase your online discoverability. 2. Maximize social discovery and word of mouth. 3. Monitor and build your reputation. Reputation marketing. A 5-star reputation will make your phone ring. Blue Ribbon Leads uses our proprietary radar feature to monitor the web for mentions of your business, so you know what's being said about you online. Blue Ribbon Call Tracking and Recording. Call tracking and recording allows you to listen to recordings and listen to your team's skills at converting calls into appointments. Increase sales and revenue with call tracking and recording. It is simple to use and there is no contract required.